This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Christopher Ryan. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers both comfort and peace of mind with numerous updates and features throughout. The roof was replaced in 2023, and the air conditioner in 2021, ensuring efficient living. High-impact windows were installed in 2018, offering added protection, while a new water heater was just installed in 2024. One of the bathrooms features a convenient pool bath. The spacious backyard is fully fenced with a black aluminum picket fence, perfect for privacy and relaxation. Enjoy the outdoors in the screened-in back porch, or utilize the side garage entrance for ease of access. The garage door, replaced in 2018, is hurricane-rated for added safety. More pictures coming soon. Inside, the home boasts updated appliances and a beautifully updated kitchen. You'll appreciate the LVP flooring throughout the living areas and tile in the bathrooms. There's no carpet here. The front door also comes equipped with a roll-away hurricane shutter for extra convenience. This home truly blends style, function, and security for your peace of mind. For more information,